Hey, Jonathan Moffat, you're going to tell us about your science fair project. So what's the name of your science fair project?
It's called the Hover Zone.
The Hover Zone. And tell me about the Hover Zone. What is that?
Well, it's about measuring magnetic forces.
Oh, really? And why did you decide to do magnetic forces?
Well, because I had a hypothesis that the larger magnet would contain more magnetic force than the smaller and the medium magnets.
Okay, awesome. So tell me about this Hover Zone of yours.
Well, as you can see, I created a platform with a magnet on top of it. And I might know that might be wondering that what this
So
is.
what is this thing right here? What is that?
Alright, this is a spacecraft.
Okay, and what is it made of?
And it's made of metal, which is inside.
It doesn't look...
Well, it doesn't look like metal, but
where's the metal at?
Well, if you look up there, it goes between this little hole right here.
Okay, so the metal is in the middle of the cardboard. Okay,
yes.
So then what is that attached to the spaceship?
That's attached to the string.
Oh, that's a string attached to the spacecraft. Okay, so then you have a metal up here. You have a what is this called again?
A magnet.
A magnet. Okay, so then you said you had 3 magnets that you use. You use a small one, a medium, and a large one?
Yep.
Okay, so what happened when you put each magnet on top of the platform like that? Tell me about it.
Well,
when you put the small one on, what happened?
We take each spacecraft.
What happened when you put the small one on?
Well, what happened is the small one didn't contain any magnetic force.
What am I looking at here? What is this thing called?
You're looking at the data.
Data chart. Okay. So here you have large, medium, and small, and you have the size of each of the magnets. And so what happened? What does this tell me?
Well, it tells you that, as you can see, the big magnet contains more magnetic force.
Well, what do you mean? Show me.
Well, if you come down here.
Okay.
This is the big magnet.
The large one?
The large one. And
it hovers how far from the shelf?
It hovers up to 1.5 centimeters.
Oh, okay. So then you put that on your chart here.
Yep.
Okay. So then, let's look at the medium. What happened with the medium? Did it hover 1.5 centimeters?
Nope. Actually, it had one less. It had 0.5 centimeters.
Okay, and the small one, did it hover at all? Oh, so it only stayed up there if it was directly connected to the magnet.
That's exactly
so,
right.
what did that whole thing prove to you?
Well,
what was your conclusion?
My conclusion: this experiment showed the size. This experiment showed the size of each magnet.
And what did it prove?
And it proved that the big magnet was the one that had the most magnetic force.
Really? Just like?
My hypothesis.
Oh, so you proved your hypothesis was?
Correct.
Exactly. Awesome job. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day and good luck on your science fair experiment.
Thank you.
Good job. And there's all your data. Good job, honey. Wow. Excellent work.